Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Google Sites. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your Hostinger account and then open your Google site. So right here, I am just going to select a website. For example, we have this one. So just simply tap on your current project or current website. Okay, and then once you're here, just have to tap on the settings or the gear icon. That's right. And then go to the custom domains. So right here you have this connect domain. So you just tap on this one and then you just have to enter right here the name of your domain. So let's just open our Hostinger account and tap on the domains. And then we have here now our domain name. So here I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, and then go back here and then paste right here the name of your domain. And then we have to verify the ownership. So tap on this one. So right here, just tap on continue. Okay, so you have here a guide. So first is we are going to follow this one. So open the Hostinger and then tap on the manage DNS. So we are going to add a new record right here. So for the type, it's TXT. That's right. Okay, and then we're just going to copy this one for the record. Okay, so put it right here and then tap on the add record option. So once you have added the record, go back here and tap on the verify option. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully added here or verified the ownership. So after that, just go to the property. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here, as you can see, all of the URLs across all subdomains, all URLs across the HTTPS or HTTP, it requires DNS verification. Okay, and then once done, you'd be able to see here now the overview. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.